If you are stuck in debt and feel like you're doing everything right, but nothing's changing, then this video is for you. Because getting out of debt isn't just about paying bills. It's about strategy, mindset, and knowing exactly what to do and when. In this video, I'll walk you through the 5 essential actions that help me and many others break free from debt. Plus, I'll share the 2 most effective debt payoff methods you need to know. I'm Sia, I'm a qualified accountant, and I've helped countless people take more control of their finances and tackle debt step by step. Most people think they need more income to get out of debt, but the truth is you need a clear, repeatable system, and that's what you're going to get today. Let's start with the 5 core actions of getting out of debt, and after that I'll walk you through the 2 debt payoff methods known as the Snowball method and the Avalanche method, so you know exactly which one to choose. The first action is getting crystal clear on what you owe. It sounds obvious, but you'd be shocked at how many people avoid this. Write down who you owe, how much you owe them, minimum repayments, interest rates, and payment due dates. Use a spreadsheet or a notepad, whatever works for you. This is your starting point, because if it's not written down, it's not under control. I get it. I know it's scary to see the full picture of your debt, but trust me, once it's visible, it is manageable. The second action is to stop creating new debt. You can't empty the tub if the tap is still running. That means no new credit card swipes, no new buy now pay later deals, no using overdraft as income. This step is less about the numbers, it's more about discipline. Remember, you're breaking the habit that created the problem that you're in. The third action is to create a survival and strategy budget. Now, this is no ordinary budget. It is a new system. Split your income into 2 accounts. One, a survival account. This covers your bare necessities like rent, food, and transport. The second account is called a strategy account. This covers your debt repayments and small savings. Yes, savings are important even while you're paying off debt. Every dollar should have a purpose, especially now since you're trying to get out of debt. Give your money direction and you'll stop wondering where it went. The fourth action is to pick a debt payoff strategy. Now that you're not adding debt and you know where your money is going, it's time to attack. The first option is the Snowball method. With this method, you list all your debts from smallest to largest. You pay minimum amounts on all other debts, then throw in all the extra cash on the smallest debt. When that debt is repaid, you move on to the next debt. This method is best for keeping momentum and keeping motivation. It allows you to have quick wins which keep you going, and that is very crucial at this time. The second option is the Avalanche method. With this method, you list all your debts by interest rate, from highest to smallest. You pay minimum repayments on all the debts with the lowest repayments, and then you throw in all the extra cash on the debt with the highest interest rate. Which method is better? It's the one that you will stick with. The fifth action is to automate your repayments and track them weekly. Set your date repayments to go out automatically before you are even tempted to spend your income. Then check in once a week to update your numbers and celebrate the small wins. This keeps you emotionally engaged and focused on progress. Having no progress feels worse than having no money. And when you start seeing your debts going down week by week, you are motivated to stay in the game. So what happens when you get unexpected additional cash during any particular month? Well, the first thing is to not spend it. Well, at least not all of it. Use the 60-40 rule. 60% for extra debt repayments and 40% to fun, rest, or mini rewards. Why? Because burnout is real, and if your journey feels like punishment, you'll give up. Also, you can sell unused stuff to make extra money. You could freelance on the weekend to make some extra income. You could use cashback and rewards to boost your strategy fund. Small extras can make a big difference over time. In summary, here are the 5 essential actions again. Number 1, get clear on what you owe and who you owe. Number 2, stop adding new debt. Number 3, use a survival and strategy budget. Number 4, pick a payment method, either the snowball method or the avalanche method. Number 5, automate your repayments and track progress weekly. Debt is heavy, but it's not permanent. Every small step puts you back in control. So, which debt payoff method are you going to try first? The snowball or the avalanche method? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped, share it with someone who feels stuck in debt right now. We're not just paying off debt here, we're building financial freedom. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my next video where I explain how I paid off $10,000 in debt fast in less than a year. I'll see you on the next one.